Hello my fellow nymphs and naiads and welcome back to another video. So I've been seeing these cute little hanging paper dolls on Pinterest and I wanted to make some. So that's what we're doing today. This is gonna be a bit of a tutorial so you can make your own because I couldn't really find that many good tutorials. So I'm just hoping that this will help you guys out. Okay, let's get started. So I am just starting out by doing an outline with pencil. You can find templates for this on Pinterest or probably Google, but I wanted to just make my own because I don't like being told how things should look, and with a template you kind of are told how something should look. Anyways, I am making two of these. I am making one of my persona, and I'm also making one for my brother, whose reaction you'll see at the end of the video, and I also will link his channel in the description, or I might put it on the end card too. So you're gonna want multiple pieces for this. You're going to want a headpiece, a piece for the arms, and then a piece for the body and legs. And if you're doing what I do, well, I gave myself long hair, I also made a piece for the extra hair. Make sure you make the arm pieces thick in between where you have the arms connected, because I accidentally made mine too thin and had to remake them when I was putting the pieces together. Also, just get creative with this. Do it for characters you like from fiction. If you're weirdo and have an obsession of history, like my brother, do George Washington or whatever. I might actually want to make a George Washington one now. Or you could do characters you created on your own. Do your pet cat. I don't know. Do anything. Do whatever you want. Be creative. This is the point. So there are two ways you can do this. So you want a little piece of so it's like you're being hung by your shirt. You can either draw it just on top of the head, or you can make a separate little piece for it. I drew it just on top of the head because this is my first time making them and I don't want more pieces than necessary. And then to make everything look all nice, neat, and clean, I took a pen and just outlined everything because I don't really like pencil as an outline out unless I'm doing a graphite drawing, which I'm not here. So I just, like I said, I just took a pen and outlined it. So here they all cut out. For your next step, you're going to want to take like a strip of paper out and roll it up. This is how everything is going to be connected. So I just used a little piece of tape to hold my people like rods together. And then what I did is I used a pencil to poke a hole in my pieces and then use scissors to make the hole larger so it could go through the people rod. Then I got my glue gun and put a little dollop of glue on one end of my paper skewer and attached it to the heads. Finally, it was time to assemble everything, so I put the arms, the body, and then the hair on. And then I grabbed a small little square piece of paper and attached it to the end of the paper rod so nothing would come off. And I did this after I shortened the paper rod a bit so we don't have a long pokey outy thing. So here they are. They came out so cute. And now it is time to give my brother the one that I made for him. Welcome in, Mom. I made you a little guy.
Oh, whoa.
It's you.
I've been impaled in the back.
You can put it on your bookshelf.
He just sits there.
Yeah, he's all dingly.
He sits there, he jingles.
You jingle?
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, I have the little horns too.
Yeah,
I have the little horns. Thank
you like it?
I love him.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And he's happy about it too.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making these and you should make some of your own. So this is really fun. I put mine on my bookshelf. And also I do other videos too, like I make Minecraft videos. And make sure to check out my brother's channel. He does history videos and he also does Minecraft videos. So if you're interested in that, then go check out his channel. Anyways, I love you all and goodbye!